Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri Katanat Kakot Kakhya ka Sarkar Jilla uba wailat miki shilla hak arp kondai terik ujeliu aja penriu uloong Pakatanat kamsim layo kenu kajing Ujor Halor ka Karkhana Ethanol ka Byrnihat Ribhoi district bat hakaju kapor uloong baka Sarkar kan sapha toket tanglada yo ik saki sabun ki babiang baka dan kajing kata hakakot kakhya jong ki ba hakajing karan bekilat patai khubor uba shilla uloong Ïohi ha social media bala pensapriang da ki ba Pakani ke Karkhana ke Byrnihat kalau penjabo ekal air hendai kombaka long menta kampat dan kenu ke jing Ujor kepala pa syak Sarkar Jilla.
See, because we have not received any complaint in written complaint, and this also we just came to know, I think, from social media so on. So that's why I think right now, until and unless we receive a written complaint or we have concrete evidence to know that it's really affecting, so then only I think we as a health department will send for the any kind of survey of anything, because right now nobody has come forward to give any kind of complaint.
The overall pollution there is affecting the health of the people.
That will be definitely there, because last time also I think it's already came in the national media as well. And for this also you need to understand, because as you know that Byrnihat is a bordering area with Assam, and even now also it is a huge debate that the majority of this pollution is coming from where, because as you know that I think majority of this factory also fall under Assam as well. So that's why it is I think still it is still the debate is there that to know that how much pollution is coming from where. But at the same time we do realize that pollution knows no boundary, so it will affect both sides. So it is higher. Last time also I think even from the level from Chief Minister as well, that he has assured that he will discuss this with our counterpart in Assam, so to discuss that how we can bring down the pollution. But I think just in the recently media also, I don't recall exactly, but I think there is also I think, if I'm not mistaken, just a few days ago also, I think the Meghalaya's Pollution Control Board has received one award, mentioning that because of their effort in reducing the pollution in Byrnihat. So I think that itself also shows that the government is fully aware and fully serious regarding this issue.
So, but this company, this factory, is it in the border or is it in the area of Meghalaya or Assam?
Right now I cannot because I don't have the proper knowledge about that, because I don't know which particular factory is that, because like I said, even I also know just a few days back, and since it is not it is not in my department and it doesn't come through me, so that's why like right now I think it's not wise for me to comment anything like which I'm not 100% sure. So, but definitely I think this is under border Byrnihat, like I said, and I already mentioned that it is in border area. So I think it might be in Meghalaya, it might be in Assam.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.